Hey everyone, welcome to SAS-a-fras's world. Today we are going to review Zippo. And I hope this is focusing. Like I said, it's hard for me to see out here. At any rate, this we got from blah 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 blah. This we got from Poor Man's Preparing, PMP. And we're going to try it out today and see how well it works. Use the chibs to open this thing up. Knife drawer. Here are some of the Zippo things.
Fluff.
The cap and striker. Now I don't see any seal on the actual cap, but there is a seal here with directions.
Who needs stinking directions?
Yeah, no doubt, huh? Okay. Yeah, it's basically showing you. Is there a fly or something on me?
Had a bug or something on you.
Yeah. Oh, interesting. Now I've got these guys open. I ordered these a while back before I got the, well, if you guys watch the Poor Man's Preparing video, you'll know. And all the ground they go. Okay, so it looks like you can fit 5.
Is that how many you sent you? Or they sent you?
Yep, the Zippo thing sends 5 also. So it looks like you can fit 5 in there. Seal it up. You're good to go. This seal is twisted when it got put on there, evidently. So I don't know how waterproof that's going to be. But that's Zippo's deal. At any rate, it looks like you're supposed to take it from the center and go like this. Okay. All right. I'm going to come up to the camera here, quick. Cameraman, can you see this?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, you just pull it from the center, fluff it up. Now, what I did is actually I unrolled the section about this far, or this big, and let it on fire. Now, it didn't stay very long, so if you're in really wet conditions, maybe this is the best way to do it. Let's try it. What the heck? We'll put it right on the instructions. Take this. Got spark. And we have ignition. Well, that works pretty sweet. I know that the Zippo Hurricane the Zippo Hurricane matches work phenomenal. All right, that is the Zippo E.F.K emergency fire kit. Very little thing, very light, works very well. Those Zippo fire starters are just awesome. And yeah, I know the Zippo Hurricane matches, I think it is. They work very well also. And if you have a drier air, like today, I mean, you know, it's not wet out, it's not raining, not heavy dew, whatever. You could just actually peel a little slice, because it's just rolled up in thin layers. You could peel a little slice about that far and totally easily start 5 or 6 fires off of one of these, if not more. So yeah, I like that actually. That worked out pretty nice.
Mm-hmm.
So, all right, Zippo. This is the one we got from PMP, Poor Man's Preparing. We love ya, and remember, until next time, have fun, but be safe.